Hi, and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you the new Peanut mini jig from Intelligent Fixings. The mini jig is designed to be used with the Peanut 2 connecting system. The Peanut 2 connecting system can do all these types of joins: your 90°, a compound miter, an end-to-end frame, an end-to-end mitered frame, and also it can do panel to panel fixing. It can be used in all different types of material: MDF, hardwoods, softwoods, plies, MFCs. The great thing about the Peanut 2 is the strength. It's really cost effective, and it's also an invisible join, so you don't see any fixings or any holes when it's put together. So here's what you get with a jig. It comes in this nice little bag. You get a basic instruction. It's another little bag with some other fittings in. This is the main jig body. This is the fence, and then in the upper bag you get a 6mm drill bit, stop and Allen key. You get the 6mm drill bush, an Allen key for fixing the fence, your bolts for fixing the fence, and you get your 2 gravity studs. Here you have your main jig body. On the jig body you have your 3 clamping zones, and in the middle you have a 30mm router slot. This is designed to take a 30mm guide bush, which comes standard with most 1/2" routers. Also inside the slot you have these 2 notches, and they're there as indicators if you want to put a slot or a peanut across your workpiece in a certain place. You also have these 4 gravity pinholes. Each one of these are indicated. You just drop your gravity pin in whichever direction you want to go, and they're designed to sort of slide up and down against the edge of your workpiece. And you also have these 2 holes, and they are there to fix your fence to the main jig. Here we have the jig fence. This can be fitted in 3 different positions. On the 90° side you have an offset. This is designed to do 16mm to 22mm and 22mm and above. And then you have your 45°, which can do 18mm and above. Finally we have the 6mm drill bush. This basically goes inside the main jig body, and depending on the position of your gravity pins, this will always go to the thinnest part of the slot, so you can rotate it either way. You can also use it for doweling as well.